Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our trip north on US 11 in the state of New York, Clinton County, and the town of Altona. We begin at mile 295 as we inch closer and closer to the northern end of the highway. We're getting some sunshine here, but you can see ominous clouds in the distance, and the good weather isn't quite going to last for the remainder of the trip. Now we've moved into the town of Moores, named not for those who moo, as I first suspected, but for Benjamin Moores, a 19th century resident who served in the New York State Legislature and later in his life served as sheriff of Clinton County. The town of Moores had a population of 3,467 as of the 2020 census. We cross the Great Chazy River and enter the hamlet of Moores Forks. The hamlet was once called Centerville, being at the geographic center of the town of Moores. Here we enter the hamlet of Moores, and US 11 becomes Main Street. The hamlet is also a census-designated place and had a population of 451 as of the 2020 census. The hamlet was originally called Moores upon the Chazy, lying on the northern bank of the Great Chazy River. Later it was incorporated as a village, but the incorporation was dissolved in 1994. We turn left here onto Champlain Street. On the right is the northern terminus of State Route 22, the longest north-south route in the state at 337 miles, and the third longest route overall. It runs along New York's eastern border south, ending in the Bronx, New York City. We conclude today's video here at mile 307. Thanks for watching. We've enabled channel memberships, so for as little as $1 a month, you too can help support our channel and get early access to our regular videos, as well as the occasional members-only video. Click the link in the description to join. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up, post a comment, subscribe, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.